Hi, I'm Derek from Signode Films, and I'm here to briefly tell you how proper use of our direct manufactured GaleWrap hand film can save you money and make your workers more efficient. This is a roll of conventional hand film, which is a clever way of saying machine grade film, only instead of a machine, we're using our backs and arms to do the stretching. These rolls are heavy, they're prone to damage and therefore waste, and load integrity depends entirely on worker effort. Perhaps most importantly, when stretched properly, you get neck down, meaning less coverage with each lap around the pallet. This is GaleWrap, the first film on the market specifically designed for the unique needs of the warehouse worker. Using an inline manufacturing process, we stretch the film to orient it like a rubber band and then hem the edges, giving you a double layer of film on the outside of the roll. Because of the hems, we guarantee usability all the way to the core. So 2,000 feet means 2,000 feet. And rather than relying on worker effort, the orientation provides the load stability as the film continues to contract against the pallet. When using GaleWrap, all you need to know is that if it breaks, you're working too hard. We can simulate load integrity using a simple rope of film. In a brake check situation, our competitors' film's excess stretch may allow your load to shift, while the orientation of GaleWrap resists shifting, better protecting your product. When you want better performance instead of just better pricing, you want GaleWrap. Contact your nearest Signode representative to schedule a full in-service with your crew.